Hi everybody, welcome to MRIK Auto. So today we got the new N20 head for the second rebuild. The previous one we already show you, and it's a Saturday. We just got delivered the head this morning like 8 o'clock, and we got this E350. That's one of our kind client with it's a special edition. It's 125th anniversary on Mercedes. So that's a premium car. They got it from another province. Almost take a week to this car was shipped out from Alberta, and we got another here. So we got this beautiful 340. They are very rare cars on the road. So 340 sits on stands and it's little lowered, and the front carbon fiber lip on this car. So this is the second car I'm doing this year, 340. We mostly got the regular 3 Series or 5 Series. And this one came in with a carbon fiber, this side doors cover also. And this came for oil change and a tranny flush and a 4x4 services. Guys, so today we got this beautiful 2017. It's a Range Rover Evoque. Just to let you know, guys, we have a promotion on all Land Rovers, Jaguars. It's 20% flat off on the OEM brakes, like ceramic pads and coated rotors. Just drop your inquiries if you want to do any of the brakes on your Land Rover. And on the other behalf, this came for a brakes and regular fluid services. And we're going to wrap it up and give it back to the customer by this noon. He's one of our elite customer. So on the other hand, we got this Nissan Pathfinder 2012. We got the new AC condenser. It's such a hard to just change both of the condenser because we eventually have to rip apart the front grille and couple of on the back of the fan thing assembly. So we are going to install it and probably going to deliver to the customer by end of this day. And on another hand, let me show you.
Alors, qui dit études, qui travaille, qui dit taf, je te dis les thunes, qui dit argent, dit dépenses, qui dit crédit, dit créance.
All right, so those clips, they are from N20 motor. We rip apart 2 of them. One is already piece by piece. Other one, we're going to rebuild the timing chain and the guide. So everything we bought it from BMW. It's nothing aftermarket. So that is the OEM kit, includes the chain, guides, and the lock tensioner. And the bottom here, we got the pump chain and guides here. And these are a couple of gaskets and crank bolt. Always when you do a chain, you have to use the brand new crank bolt because the threads got stretched every time you open it. It's just one-time use. So more of the BMW L-Wings gaskets. And also that's the top wall cover gaskets on this. And here is one of the venues. It's also from L-Ring. They are the OEM manufacturer for the BMW. And more, we're going to put the OEM fluid when we're done with rebuild. It's going to be done by maybe today or tomorrow, end of the day. It's just 2 days job to put the timing chain on N20. If you guys do have any N20s, hit us. So on this one, the valve was bent with the timing just go below the parameters. So this is the newer one. We just simply going to transfer everything except the bottom valves. So both of the cams going to be over there with the servo motor, and it's going to be done probably by Monday, and we're going to take it out. So that's the second rebuild, and we got third one, black BMW, coming on Tuesday for another N20 rebuild. So if you guys do have any of the N20 rebuilds, hit us, we'll do that. So let's go for another one. And this one, that's my car. So the AC is not working. We're trying to fix it out. We got the third pipe of AC to fix it up, and unfortunately that doesn't even match because Volkswagen update the line on the AC, so it doesn't matches on my car right now. It's a waste. We're doing waste from 2 weeks. Keep on just putting inside, change the line, and dump it and return it again. So this is the second time the line is not matching. I don't know what's going to happen. So that's here again for the oil change. And let me show you something real quick. We got this beautiful 2017 Mustang 302 Coyote. It's 5 liter with a Borla underneath. And we just delete the resonator and we put the X pipe in it. And we are going to see how it comes when we're going to turn it on. And when we done the jobs on the car, we mostly do the exhaust paint on it. So that prevents from any kind of rust or anything. So if you guys do have any exhaust jobs, give us a call. We'll give you the best quote in the town. And that's it. We're going to fire it up, taking down and fire it up, and see how it sounds. So we got this Mercedes 2012 E350. That's one of my buddy's car. It came up for a transmission fluid fresh. They're going out of town, and they just want us to just a safety check on the car, so they're not gonna end up breaking up on the road. So we did everything. Everything looks pretty clean, and the brakes on this car recently installed by us, and other fluids are good. Only the transmission. So what we did, we changed the fluid, filter, and the pan. Everything is from Mercedes, as you can see in my Instagram video. We put it already. We drop it up. What we did. And now it's time for a test drive. Let's go. Alrighty, so we done with the transmission fluid flush. Now it's time to go for a test drive. It's overcrowded downtown as always, and we are just going back off our street, which is not crowded because it's kind of residential kind of thing. Most of the time in the front of the shop, it's crowded 24/7, as it's a major intersection. Starts with the downtown London, Ontario. So it's averagely 20,000 cars in 24 hours. That's what Google says in front of our shop. That's the busiest road. And now we are here to make a test drive to see how the car shifts. Every time we do any of those transmission flush, we make sure before delivering the car to our customers, we do a test drive and make sure the shifting and everything goes pretty well. And this, again, is one of the favorite customer. He's the best guy. And he owns a fleet of Mercedes and Land Rovers. So he's just going out probably tomorrow out of the town, and he want to make everything be safe for the road. And another news I have is we have a drive-on show coming this Saturday, 1 to 6 in Agriplex district in downtown. So if you guys do have any time frame that day free, come join us, and you'll see me on the booth on MRIK Auto. So we'll be there with our custom cars, and hope to see you guys forward if this video posted before that, then only. So yeah, we already make a test drive on this thing, and it flies good. And the best thing of this car is it's kind of lowered, and we are just going back to the shop, and we have another car for a test drive. We'll take it out once it's going to be ready for that. So we are preparing almost 4 cars for the show, as that was a requirement from the drive on show, eBay Motors, and they invite us with the 4 model cars with a booth, and we are going forward to be there at Saturday. So if you guys want to see us, we'll be there probably by 1 p.m. to 6. That is the show timing, and all MRIK Auto crew team members, they're going to be there with the model cars. And with every oil change, if you want, we offer a interior detailing. It's pretty cheap from the other shop, or you call any detailer. So any of the SUV like this you see, with the oil change or any fluid services, we offer $79.99 plus taxes, interior cleaning. Doesn't matter how bad it is. And for sedan, it's $69.99. So grab your offer. Don't be late. Whenever you got called for any of oil services, you can just have this offer. It's limited time. So for more videos like that, you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for this time. Keep watching.